Court does call the case of Manchester Apartments versus Jonathan Hafner Cantor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Alex Tolzin appearing on behalf of the plaintiff, Manchester Apartments.
Hafner Cantor, see here.
Yes.
Where are you, sir? All right, you'll need to turn on a camera, please. All right, where are we on this case?
We have a conditional dismissal, Your Honor.
Okay. Go ahead. What are the terms?
Rent through the end of August is $574. I show court costs of $200.50. A total outstanding balance of $704.50. Defendant is to pay $300 on or before today, August 15th, and $474.50 on or before August 29th. My understanding is that the defendant has paid the $300. It just has not been applied to the ledger yet. So it'd just be that secondary August 29th payment, and both of us have signed that document.
All right. And upon the default on that document, without hearing, you would be able to, by affidavit, reopening affidavit, submit a judgment and writ.
Yes, 4B is checked and 7 partial payment is checked as well on that document.
All right. Very good. Sir, is that your understanding of your agreement?
Yes.
Do you have any questions whatsoever regarding that conditional order dismissal?
Nope.
All right. I do have to advise you, and once it's presented to me, that I will sign that that conditional order dismissal. I do have to advise you, you have 3 business days to think about it from the date of my signing of that order. If you believe that there's some misunderstanding, some confusion, or some non-assertion of right that has happened in this case, you would have to file a motion with the court within those 3 business days. That doesn't mean that I would set it aside. It just means that you have that opportunity to come back before the court. You understand that?
Yes. I
All
suppose
right,
I do have
fantastic.
one question. For the
Yes,
court
sir.
fines, can I just file that with a normal rent check with my apartment?
Pardon?
With the court fines that I have, the $200, can I just put that on with the court with the rent paycheck?
The court fines? You mean the
The-
court costs?
Yes.
The court costs are paid to the plaintiff, so you pay that to your landlord.
Excellent. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I will mark this file conditionally dismissed, and I'll await the order for my signature.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
You do the same. Court calls the case of Six Trails versus Sean Dixon.
Good morning. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sidney Katz on behalf of plaintiff.
Has not. Sean Dixon? Not here. If you'd like to take a default, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, this is a non-payment rent possession case, second hearing. Defendants failed to appear. This time requesting a default judgment. To the best of my knowledge, defendant is non-military, a minor, or unable to stand trial. To the best of my knowledge, the property is being kept habitably. At this time, there's currently a balance due, including costs totaling $3,145. That's $3,145. Requesting a default judgment in that amount with the writ to be issued after August 25th.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession, redemption amount, in the amount requested, writ to issue in 10 days. Willow Ridge Apartments versus Maya Hines.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here. My camera
All
is
right.
broken, so it won't come on. It's like crack.
All right, what is plaintiff's claim?
Your Honor, this is a non-payment rent possession only. There's currently a balance due, including costs totaling $5,798. That's $5,798.
All right. Ma'am, how are you intending on getting this paid?
So I've been in touch with legal services. They said they can help. And I also been in touch with Salvation Army, and they said they can help as well. I just had surgery on my hand. My wrist has been broke for a couple months, so I haven't been able to work at all. So I'm relying on them to help.
Well, legal services, they said that they would help. What do you mean by that?
They gave me a number to, I'm sorry, it's written down somewhere. They gave me a number to a lady named Jill Baskin, and I guess she helps with like stuff like this. I don't know. I left her a voicemail maybe like an hour ago, so she should be calling me back sometime today or Monday.
All right. But I'm not finding that there's necessarily a tribal issue in this case, ma'am. Here's what I'm gonna do. You need to make sure you get back in touch with those individuals. I'm gonna find that there's no tribal issue after hearing. I'm gonna grant judgment for possession in this case.
Your Honor, I
With the
can go to the
total
end
re-
of the month.
Pardon?
I can go to the end of the month. The 29th, I think, is the
All
last
right,
business
that,
day.
thank you, sir. So I will indicate that it's judgment amount of $5,798, which is inclusive of cost, with a writ to issue August 29th or thereafter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so ma'am, you need to let them know that and let them know what the court has done. And then we will, and see, that way they know what timeline they're working on, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case of Willow Ridge Apartments versus Isis Trice.
Good afternoon again, Your Honor. Sidney Katz on behalf of plaintiff.
She's in Zoom. Isis Trice,
Hi.
hello, I'll need a camera
Hi,
on,
I'm
please.
sorry.
All right, thank you. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
This is a non-payment rent possession case, second hearing. There's currently a balance due, including cost of $3,141.3141.
3141. All right, and ma'am, how are you intending on getting that paid?
So the next couple days I work open to close. So Monday I can take the $900. I've been paying them like $1,000 a week to get the balance down now that I'm back working. Also, I have an appointment with Hawk on August 25th. So if that doesn't go good, I should have everything paid off with me picking up hours at work.
All right. Then here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find no tribal issue after a hearing in this matter. I'm gonna grant a judgment for possession with the 3141 as the amount due and payable. Since your Hawk appointment occurs on the 26th, you can let them know that I'm extending the writ date in this case to August 29th, the end of the month, 2025, to get that paid. So if you keep paying and you fall short, it's gonna be, you're gonna try to fill that gap by whatever Hawk will pay for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor. That was it for me. Have a good weekend.
I think, yes, you do the same, sir. Arbor Club versus Holmes, that matter's dismissed on
Thank
plaintiff's
you.
motion.
I got it right here. I can go.
Oh, hold on. What's your name?
I'm getting home.
Let's see. You came all the way down here to see me?
Yeah.
Did you? What? I know you did. Well, I know you did because I got a dismissal.
I just want to be sure.
You came all the way down you just came down to see me.
Yeah, that's
Right? That's it? All right.
Your Honor,
Sir,
that's the only reason any of us show up.
Is that what it is? Okay. All right. Okay, sir, take care of yourself. Thank you for coming down. But yeah, they're dismissing it. All right, take care.
Thank you.